Janvi, we learnt about conjunctions in class yesterday.
Oh, great Akshit!
Yes, Janvi, but I'm a little bit confused.
Don't worry Akshit, I'll make you understand the concept.
Great, it will really help me.
Words that are used to join two words or sentences are called conjunctions or joining words. And, but, and or are some words that we use to join two sentences.
But how do we know when to use and when to use but?
We use and to join two similar ideas. We have a car and a scooter. I want a pencil and an eraser.
Okay, Janvi, but what about but?
We use but to join two opposite ideas. Ali is tall but Salma is short. I like milk but I don't like juice.
Okay, Janvi, what about or?
We use or when there are two or more things to choose from. You should study or go to sleep. Are you sad or happy?
Okay, Janvi, thanks. Now my concept is clear.
You're welcome, Akshit.